the 1, Devin at the 3, Anson at the 4. Our grid is set. Quarter marshals, please pay attention. We'll get this one going, guys. Good luck to these drivers. We're going racing at the sound of the start tone. All right, C2 off and running. Then we got a bunch of B1s, and then we'll get into our A2s. So computer program couldn't quite register the C's, so we had to squeeze them, separate them. So this is the final time that our C main event finalists are going to run today. We do have plaques for our B main event top 3. So stick around for your plaques, guys. We got plaques for the top 3 in the A's, and we have plaques for the B main events as well. So stick around for your awards. Enjoy the race day out here with us. Brad West out in front, Devin Picton in second, Anson in third. There's Anson across the start finish line. 16.3, that's personal hot lap of the race. 14.5 just set by Devin. Picton coming across the start finish line. 14.6. Brad in the 2 spot, trailing the race leader only by 1.7. Looks like Brad's starting to close the gap here on Devin for the top spot. 3 minutes and 50 seconds, 3:50 left to go. Anson in third. Young Anson down the back stretch. One of our youngest participants out here this weekend. First time racing a big race. In through the center of the course. The white and metallic yellow across the start finish line. 16 flat down the back stretch. Anson De Leon. Second gonna belong to Brad West. Brad down the back stretch. In that fluorescent racing red with the silver windows. Got the executive window tint. No peeking. Picton out in front in the yellow and blue. Picton in through the middle. Devin coming across the start finish line. 14.5. Backed up with another 14.5. Race number 15, you guys should be heading through tech at race number 15. Let's go ahead and start heading through tech B1 for our 13.5/12 skip. So with the 8-minute races, we're looking right around a 7 or 8 hour program today. Guys, it looks like we will have a finishing time somewhere after 4:30. Our goal is to get done by 4:30. We need you guys to keep coming out and marshaling promptly. The first 2 hours, we were able to accomplish 13 races, so you can do the math based off of that. So it'll be about a 7 or 8 hour program, and we'll get you on the road probably sometime before 5 o'clock. Hopefully we have a trophy presentation. We have our awards. Guys, you got 1 hour left to buy raffle tickets. So if you haven't picked up any raffle tickets, you like them on the top of the barrel over there, go buy some raffle tickets at the front counter over at the snack bar side. You can go home with some nice things besides the awards. Take a look at all of our prizes over there. 1 minute and 20 seconds left to go. Got 1:20 left. One minute left to go, guys. 1 minute left. Brad West out in front by 5.4 over Picton, with De Leon in third, 18.5. We get 14.2 behind him. Anson starting to close the gap on Devin here. Our new race leader, guys. It's his time to shine. Brad West down the backstretch. Brad 15 flat. Last time by, Brad's been helping us out all weekend long, coming out volunteer marshaling. It's his second season of RC racing, coming across the start finish line, 15.6. Down the back straightaway he goes for the 5.4 second lead over Devin. Anson in the third spot, 16.3 behind him. Anson keeping it off the boards there, in through the middle. And in front of the driver, standing the white and yellow across the start finish line. 16.1 for Anson the last time by. We're running out of time here. Saved by the bell. Brad West, you are done with the win. 20-501. Boom shakalaka. Devin Picton, you're done with second. Waiting on Anson for third. And that's a race, guys. Bring him in and shut him down. All right, it's going to be two 20-lap runs. And Anson with a 19-lap run for third. Good job, guys. West taking the win. Picton second. Dave Leon third.